Hi, I'm Tommy with BuyToWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. If you're new to DMR, or digital mobile radios, you've probably heard or read about something called color code. But what is color code? How does it work? And when, if ever, would you use it? In DMR, a color code is a digital access setting that tells your radio which signals it should listen to on a given frequency. Think of it like a CTCSS tone or DCS code on an analog radio. There are 16 DMR color codes, numbered 0 through 15, and every DMR channel has to have one. If two radios are on the same frequency but using different color codes, they won't hear each other at all. When your radio receives a DMR signal, it checks the incoming data for the correct color code. If the color code matches, the radio opens up and you hear audio. If it doesn't match, the radio simply ignores it. This lets multiple users share the same frequency without hearing conversations that aren't meant for them. Now here's where DMR gets a little more interesting. DMR uses two time slots on a single frequency. The color code applies to both of those time slots, while the time slot and group talk determine who talks where. So for DMR to work properly, the frequency, color code, time slot, and talk group all have to match. There's no universal rule for color codes, but two common color codes are color code 1 on repeaters and color code 0 on simplex channels. The important thing is that your radio matches whatever the system is using. If your radio shows signal activity but you're not hearing anything, the color code is one of the first things you should check. Once you understand color codes, DMR programming gets a lot easier. They aren't complicated, they're just a digital way to control access. If you have any questions or want to know more about digital two-way radios, please give us a call, email us, or hit us up in our live chat at BuyToWayRadios.com. I'm Tommy with BuyToWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Class dismissed.